Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here with another video. So today we're going to be testing out the brand new Foxybae wireless curler. I know you guys have seen it if you follow them, and I really wanted to try it. It's my first time trying anything by them. It came in this really cute box that had like this little cover on it and shows you what it is with like some information. I really want to save this box, but I have no reason to. But yeah, we're just gonna get into the video. Alright, so it comes in like a little plastic bag thingy. And then it comes with a charger. It doesn't come with the this part, the brick. That is mine. But I went ahead and already opened this up so I could charge it for the video. But yeah, so it's super cute. All their stuff is super cute. Basically, you hit start, or you turn it on first. You have to hold it, and then it'll come up. And so then basically you use the second button, or you use that button to like go through things when you want to have your hair turn right to curl, change the temperature. And then you hit the second button to like actually change the stuff. And then it'll like have it time, and yeah, so basically you just hit start. And then it just curls your hair for you. So if we go ahead and just take a little piece here and put it in. So it's not quite hot enough. Just have to like wait a sec. It doesn't like heat up automatically. It's gonna like take a sec, I guess. So just see here. And we're just gonna wait a sec. And then it curls it. So that's pretty cool. So it does work. It's just, yeah. And then it stays charged. So I think for about an hour. I think that's what it is. Yeah, so it stays charged for an hour. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and go in the bathroom and I'm going to curl my hair and show you guys the time lapse of that to see how we like it. And yeah, let's just get into the curling. Alright guys, so let me just go ahead and like brush my fingers through the curls. Kind of do a little flip. So these did not really hold. I literally just curled my hair and they just, I don't know if I like this thing or not. Like it curls your hair, don't get me wrong. It curls your hair, but you have to hold it for a while. At least with my hair you do. And I did not do that with a lot of these pieces. And it takes a very long time, especially if you have really thick hair, which I'm the queen of thick hair. So it took an extremely long amount of time. But the one nice thing is the outside does not get very hot. It's mainly the inside. So it's not like super hazardous, which is really good. That's really all I have to say about it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It would be nice if you needed just a quick curl on the go. Like if your curls were starting to like fall out and you needed to make sure they stayed, bringing that would be good. but it's just like any other curling thing, like curling iron. I feel like it's more of a pain though, because it's kind of awkward with that little thingy you have to put the hair in. But overall, it does the job. It's just not, I don't know, I'm not like huge fan of it, but I do like it. And I'll probably continue to use it more, and I'll let you know if that changes, if I like it or not. But this is kind of like my hair. My hair's like dark, but like you can see, I curled this and it didn't stay. This thing is weird. We're gonna freaking curl this piece again. And see, it comes out like, I don't know. It might just be my hair. I don't know. My hair doesn't hold a curl very well, but it holds a curl better than that with a regular curling iron, so I don't know. Like some curls held really well, like this, but I also held, where did that curl go? This curl held really well, but I also had that in there for probably a minute. And you shouldn't have to have your hair in there for a minute. I think the temperature's at like 392, so I don't know. But it made my hair pretty voluminous. I do like that. So that's kind of how I think it's pretty good, but not the best. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today in this video. It's just about that little thing I went to review because I just got it and thought I'd try it out for a video. But yeah, so if you enjoyed that, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, turn the post notifications on, all that good stuff. And yeah, if you're new here, I'm Alexis. You already know what's up. Skincare, hair, everything, beauty, and lifestyle that you need. And fashion. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye, y'all.